Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you do not know who I am, my name is Charlotte Alvarez, but you can call me Jay. And if you are new to this channel, welcome and don't forget to subscribe. So in today's video, I'll be doing half a yellow cut crease and we'll be using the Cute as Fuck Colourpop palette. Yes, I have been using it and this is my first time doing a video on this palette. So we're going to go ahead and go in with this palette to do that half yellow cut crease. So if you want to know how I get this look, continue on watching. Okay, you guys, so if you do not see yet, I've done my eyebrows off camera. Also, I did something new. I did already prime my eyes and conceal them and set them. So we're just going to go ahead and go on into the palette. And of course, I will be doing one eye on camera and the other one off camera just to make this video a little short. So for the first color we'll be going in with is a nude color, which is going to be this color right here. I think this is the color Bling. Of course, it does have the names on the back. So yeah, so the color we'll be going in is this one right here, and it's called Bling. I'm gonna get a Morphe brush. Has no name. This came in a collection. So we're gonna go ahead and apply that on the eye. Alright, and the next color we'll be going in is with another nude shade, is this one right here. And this is called Big Cocktails. I'm going in with that same brush. Going in with a different brush. This is a Morphe brush. This is the Morphe R35. And we're going to go ahead and go in with that yellow shade, and it's called Fresh Kiss. Alright, and going in with a different brush. We're going in with the Morphe 441 and going in with this darker shade, and it's called Mischief. Then going back in with that yellow shade and adding a little more yellow to it. Alrighty, now we're going to go in and make that cut crease, half cut crease. So I'm going to use the Clinique concealer to make that half cut crease. I'm going in with a flat brush. This is the Morphe M4110. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and grab a small sponge. I'm going to go ahead and set that. So I'm going to go in with the air sponge to set that half cut crease. Alright, that should be enough. And so maybe I'm gonna add just a little bit of sparkle to it. So I'm gonna go in with the iconic London Loose Pigment palette. I'm gonna go ahead and this one right here, don't want to pick it up all the way because all of it may fall. So this is in the color Diamond Dusk. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and grab another flat brush and I'll pack that on top of that concealer. And I'm going in for the flat brush. I'm going in with the M124. Just gonna add just a little bit. And going back in with that palette to clean up the outer corners. So go in the back with that yellow shade and mix that up. Alright. So that's half the eye and we're done with this eye, so I'll be right back and I'm gonna do the other eye off camera, so don't go anywhere. Alright you guys, I am back. The other eye is finished. Did pop on some lashes, so anything I did not do on camera, the products, anything that I did not show on the video will be in the description box. So now moving on to the face. We're going to go in with the Glam Glow. This is a moisturizer for the face. You can put it either before or after foundation, but I'm going to go ahead and do it before foundation. And this is going to give you like a little glow on the face. Go ahead and get some of that and put it on my face. Alright, now going on with primer. I'll be going in with the NYX Photo Loving Primer. Alright, now for foundation, I'll be going in with the Huda Beauty foundation and I'm in the shade Butter Pecan. And going in with a foundation brush. This is a Morphe brush. Does not have a name on it. It's in a holiday collection that I got for a gift. Alright, now going in with a beauty blender to set that foundation. Okay, and for concealer, I'll be going in with the Clinique Beyond Perfecting Foundation Plus Concealer. This is in the color CN10. And to set that, we're going in with the Airspun powder. I'm going to use that same sponge and bake this for like a few. Alright, now for contour. We'll be going in with the Tarteist Pro Glow and going in with this cream. I'm that same foundation brush. Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and dust that off. I'm going in with this brush. Okay, going back in. Step up. And for bronzer, we're going in with the Hoola Benefit bronzer. Okay, angle brush. Alright, and for blush, we'll be going in with the Morphe blush. This is in the color Spirit. So go ahead and go in with this Morphe brush. Okay, and for highlights, we're gonna go in with these two shades right here. Go ahead and grab this brush and get some of that. Okay, for lips, we'll be going in with the Maybelline New York, and this is in the color 70 Amazonian. Setting spray, I'll be going in with the Morphe Setting Mist. Alright, you guys, this is the final look that I used, did with the Colourpop palette. This is a half cut crease yellow. So yeah, if you like this look, don't forget to leave some comments, like it, and if you guys want me to do anything else, let me know below the comments and I will for sure do it for you. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys on the next video. Bye.